Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So last week I let you know that the latest Patch Tuesday security update that rolled out for Windows 11, 25 and 24H2, which is KB5079473, was breaking app sign-ins. And as I mentioned in that video, Microsoft had confirmed that after installing the update, several of the free Microsoft Windows 11 apps like Teams, Edge, OneDrive are having issues signing in. Now, just to let you know that Microsoft has been quick to resolve the issue. And as you can see, late yesterday in my region, I installed the update this morning. Microsoft has rolled out KB5085516, which is an emergency out-of-band update to address that issue. So it's nice to see that the issues have been fixed. And you can see once you have applied the update, the build is bumped up to 26,200 for Windows 11 25H2, and it will be 26,100.8039 for Windows 11 24H2. Now, KB5085516 is a compulsory mandatory update rolling out for everyone, except if you didn't install the March Patch Tuesday security update. Then it won't be offered to your device. Only if you have installed the Patch Tuesday update will this OOB update be offered to your device. So just take note of that. And it will be downloaded and installed automatically, and you will have to restart your device to apply the update. So just take note of that. So Microsoft has said that it's fixed the Microsoft account sign-in problem, saying that some users might experience an issue signing into apps with a Microsoft account. Even when the device has a working internet connection, a no internet error appears, as I mentioned, during sign-in and prevents access to Microsoft services and apps such as Microsoft Teams Free and OneDrive, as I mentioned. So if you were experiencing those issues after installing the March Patch Tuesday update, then I'm sure that the update would have been pushed out to your machine. So maybe you would want to install that sooner than later if you were having problems with signing in. And Microsoft says it's not aware of any known issues that this emergency update has. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.